think that's what Sharp's going to do. He's going to sit back and just knock it in the gap, run around. He knows he's not chasing a 160 here. He gets 50, 60. He'll go close. Just get himself in. Immad's there for a reason. He'll be the aggressor here.
Nice looking drive through the offside. Scintillating boundary from Immad.
Geez, a good time of the ball. He actually opened the face. He opened the blade and angled it there. Clearly see the turn of the face of the bat. Lovely shot.
Immad hails from Islamabad, so he's doing it against his own team. And he's looking good. He hit a few dabs that down, but he likes driving, and against the spinner and the fast bowler, he's looked very good.
What position does he normally bat? Because he looks very accomplished.
He's an all-rounder. I think he's a better batsman than bowler, but left-arm spinner who bats down the order. He's got a few first-class centuries as well. But bats as high up as 4 and 5 in first-class cricket. Slower delivery. He's got a couple of those. He likes bowling a slow bouncer. But still, United will be hoping that they get a wicket, one more wicket, very soon. But it's been a good beginning. First 5 overs, just 24 on the board and 2.
Ding dong bubble ilal ki ding dong bubble. अब नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी.
थैंक यू डिंग डोंग बबल हमारे स्कूल में आने के लिए. डिंग डोंग बबल बहुत नरम और मजे की होती है.
हिलाल की डिंग डोंग बबल.
Ding dong bubble.
GS Bank, क्योंकि बढ़ना है आगे.
अगर आप भी अपनी गाड़ी का ख्वाब देखते रहते हैं तो आपको चाहिए अस्करी बैंक की आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस.
आज कॉफी पीने चले.
अस्करी आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस. स्टीयर योर ड्रीम्स.
घर पैसे मोबी कैश करने में बड़ा सुकून मिलता है और साथ ही साथ मोबिलिंग से मिलता है बहुत कुछ, यानी ढेरों फ्री मिनट्स, SMS और इंटरनेट भी.
मोबी कैश, जबान का पक्का.
Different bowlers in 6 overs. That's got to be some kind of a record. Oh, that's a good shot. He's aggressive and purposefully aggressive. Need more strikes, the United. Need to nibble away, chip away at the opposition. A wicket after every 10 runs or 12 runs would do very nicely. We've got Alan here. Alan Wasallan, wa marhaba.
Alan Wasallan, marhaba. I'm going to have to learn some more Arabic and some more Urdu from my teachers. Thanks, Ramiz and Buzzid. Big calls for you to be on Twitter, you know, Rambo.
Absolutely. I want to be on Twitter again. You know, I had a Twitter account and then I just got bored. I'm sorry.
I expect you made a lot of friends on Twitter.
Yes, and fours. Fielding has been of high standards today in this game. He's very quick, the little fellow. Kamran Ghulam there, picking it on the run and almost hitting down the stumps. He's a sub. Magnificent. Yeah, look at the energy. Fielding by Pakistani players is exceptional. Asher Zaidi was awesome, was he? Excellent. Chance. Oh, just about gets it over and into the fence. Ruman Reis was the fielder.
That was tantalizingly close, wasn't it? He had to time the jump here. No. Didn't quite get off the ground either. He's not going to win an Olympic high jump with this effort, but it was always going to be above him. Didn't really time the jump, did he? Ruman Reis, who's bowled well in this HBL PSL. Bowled well, little left arm nags away.
Oh, yes. Quality class. Imad Wasim is playing a gem of an innings here.
Yeah, he's coming down the pitch here to Shane Watson. And Shane Watson's got no fine leg or third man up. And the Karachi owner likes what's going on here, likes this. So Shane Watson's got a lot of fielders in front of square here. Third man fine leg up inside the circle. He's using the short ball as well, but Imad Wasim likes to come down. And he's feeling pretty confident against Shane Watson. He's got a strike rate at the moment of 186.
This is a very good find, Imad Wasim. Bowls well. That's pretty untidy from United. They need to be better.
Telenor 3G mobiles 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर. अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे. Pepsi, खाना बने exciting.
और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी.
It's not looking that great for United because Imad Wasim is handling the situation with a great degree of confidence. He's a regular left-arm spinner for his side, but today promoting up the batting order by Shoaib Malik, and well, he's not disappointed his skipper. He was at the other end, 3 from 6, Shoaib. But the left-hander, for the time being, is hogging the limelight. Oh, good delivery, taken, caught behind. Excellent breakthrough. Just a feather touch, and the keeper made no mistake. So Imad Wasim has been dismissed, 29 from 16. He's playing a perler, and he's gone.
Well, he was feeling that he could hit anything, but not this time. Wasim goes for 29. Good innings that, 35 for 3.
Tutti Frutti Crystals के साथ soft और juicy boom boom bubble gum. Boom boom bubble gum. मन को बुला दो.
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा.
Gigli Eclairs, caramel के अंदर finest premium chocolate. Life के बहुत से flavors में एक पल में बदले हर पल.
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें. Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 or log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL.
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी. क्या बात है.
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करें रूह अफ़ज़ा.
तो और क्या चाहिए.
Shakib Al Hasan, left-hander and a go-getter, a match winner. His team is under pressure, but in a way it's good that Shoaib Malik is still out there anchoring one end. He'll keep on doing that, Shoaib Malik. Off the mark? No, he's not.
Yes, the number one all-rounder in the ICC rankings for both T20 internationals and one-day cricket, Shakib Al Hasan. I think it was a decent delivery, this. He might have been running it down, but I think he was beaten. He was beaten anyway. Good take from Sam Billings. Yeah, he's played at that. They're fighting here, Islamabad.
It's a superb drive. What a good way to get off the mark. Uninhibited is the word that you'd want to call when he goes out to bat, because that flow off the bat, that bat swing is so good and solid.
Only the third all-rounder in that test cricket to score a century and take 10 wickets in the same test match. The other two, you might know them, Ramiz. Sir Ian Botham and Imran Khan. And he joins very illustrious company there, doesn't he? Shakib.
Indeed, yeah. Two great all-rounders, Sir Ian Botham and Imran Khan. And in fact, he's been the leader of, in a way, of Bangladesh cricket for a while, because when you talk about Bangladesh cricket, you talk about Shakib Al Hasan. Synonymous.
The flag bearer. He's absolute flag bearer for Bangladesh cricket.
Full shot, got jammed just a little bit. Andre Russell will keep on doing that, surprising the batsmen with various lengths. But United clearly putting up a big fight here. They do not have a lot of runs to play with. Required run rate is 7.29, which obviously in T20 terms should mean a straightforward run.
He's played getting towards 170 T20 matches now. Shakib, good ball. He does bowl a very heavy ball now and again, Andre Russell. It's 37 for 3.
Telenor 3G mobiles 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर. अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे.
सुनहरी सुबह का सूरज दिखाता, घुप अंधेरों से पर्दा उठाता, अपनी 240 से ज्यादा ब्रांचेस के साथ सुनहरी बैंक, रोशन हर कदम.
Jazz Excite feature phones or Jazz Explore smartphones.
I've got my Jazz X. Go get yours.
Mobiling Jazz X.
Desperate to get off to a winning start, and obviously Karachi, they've won one of their two. Big match again tonight. It's Peshawar against Quetta, the two unbeaten teams.
Let's go across to Zainab. Let's see who she's got.
And I've got with me the owner of Karachi Kings, Salman Iqbal. Salman, pretty good performance from Karachi. They've lost a couple of wickets, but otherwise the target that they've got is pretty reasonable.
Yeah, the target is very achievable. The guys bowled very well. They fielded impeccably. They was amazing. They were on the ground. They were there as a team, and they fielded very well.
And how are you feeling? PSL is finally happening, coming over here. Karachi has done well, although they lost the previous match, but otherwise their performance has been particularly well.
I think PSL has been great. The team has been coming together. It's just the third match. They have done very well. Second match we lost. We had a good score, with highest score in the PSL so far, but still Quetta played very well. But I think this is a very achievable target. It's 133. So let's see what happens.
And what has been the reaction back home? We've seen there's been a lot of hype. What would you say with regards to that?
I was actually amazed. I saw day before yesterday's ratings. The whole day, Karachi, Lahore and the Quetta and the other game, we touched a lot of ratings. It was unbelievable. As per ratings, almost 55% of Pakistan was watching PSL, which is a very, very, very good thing.
It indeed is, and about the atmosphere and support, we've seen on Thursdays and Fridays, on the weekends, it's been brilliant, and the crowd has been turning up.
Yes, the crowd in Dubai has been unbelievable. Sharjah will be much better. And because of the day and night matches, the day the crowd doesn't come, but at night the crowd slowly comes in. If you can see the ground, they started slowly fill up. I think the weekends in Sharjah will be much better than the weekends in Dubai.
And generally your team seems to be shaping up well. You've got Mohammad Amir in form, then you've got other youngsters like Imad Wasim.
Imad played very well, good knock today. Amir took the first hat-trick of the PSL. He is performing very well, he's bowling very well. Shoaib Malik is in very good form. He's been batting all through the 3 matches, so let's see.
Thank you so much for your time, Salman.
Yeah, so the ratings are high back home. Almost half the population, in fact more than half the population, is watching this HPL PSL coverage. You would be extremely popular back home in Pakistan. Well, gone! Played on. He was just a little uptight and too intense out there. Shoaib Malik feeling the heat, feeling the pressure as a skipper. And it's Mohammad Sami who has picked one. And it's a big one. It's the captain who has been dismissed. Played on, chopping it on. Gone for 6, 4 down for 40.
टूटी फ्रूटी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ सॉफ्ट और जूसी बूम बूम बबल गम फन को बुला दो
बदलेगा एक पल में हर पल बदलेगा
गिगली एक्लेयर्स कैरेमल के अंदर फाइनेस्ट प्रीमियम चॉकलेट लाइफ के बहुत से फ्लेवर्स में एक पल में बदले हर पल
HBL का कोई भी कार्ड स्वाइप करें, अकाउंट खोलें या फिर लोन हासिल करें. Win a chance of a lifetime. Call 111-111-425 और log on to hbl.com. जहां ख्वाब वहां HBL.
मोबिलिन के करोड़ों दिलों के सिकंदर लाहौर कलंदर.
जीते आप या मैं, ट्रॉफी हर साल हमारी. क्या बात है.
और इस ट्रॉफी को वेलकम करे रूह अफ़ज़ा.
तो और क्या चाहिए.
Skill level will be tested. Karachi Kings need 93 in 75, but they've lost 4 wickets and lost a bit of rhythm as well. Now this was crucial. Just trying to dab it down for a run.
It's a very untypical Shoaib Malik shot, that as well. He's tried to invent something there.
Yeah, I mean, this innings was kind of bordering on safety and security. He wasn't himself. But the idea was right because Imad Wasim was going so fluently well, and Karachi Kings needed the captain out there till the end because he's got the skills and the temperament really to see off such a threat, Shoaib Malik. But I think he got bogged down just a little too much. Because you've got to find that happy balance where you concentrate, not lose your wicket, yet you keep the scoreboard ticking. I guess the pacer will keep on doing that, Shakib Al Hasan. Get a single through a third man. And against spin, he'll look to hit one over mid-wicket and square leg. That's his game plan.
Well, we've got a heavy run scorer now who's just come in, Iftikhar Ahmed. Highest run scorer. Round the corner he goes, bisects those 2 fielders back at a square, and he'll get 2. Iftikhar, highest scorer in the domestic Pakistan T20 Cup last year. It's the end of the over, 44 for 4.
Telenor 3G mobiles 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर. अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे. बने एक्साइटेड। टेलेनोर 3G मोबाइल्स 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर। अब किसी भी टेलेनोर 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे।
That's good regular stuff from Shakib. That's an excellent way to get used to the conditions also. Get a run, get to the other end, wait for the moment, let the spinners come back into play.
You know what, Rambo, Ramesh, when you look at the numbers for Iftikhar, this man right here, 25 years of age, actually born in Peshawar, but his numbers in the domestic T20 in Pakistan, 299 runs, averaging 74, strike rate 145.
This HBL PSL league could be a making of Iftikhar because he's played for Pakistan in a couple of matches. Played one days for Pakistan. YouTube.com/PSL if you want to watch it on the web. But he just succumbed to the pressure and didn't look too hot. But here's another opportunity for him to impress the world that he's made for this kind of cricket. That's gone up in the air and misses the fielder, Shane Watson, at mid-wicket.
You know what, Rambo? Every time I log on to YouTube, you're always there. You're always there in a library, sitting, talking cricket, and there's a whole, it's a cricket library. Cricket bats behind you, a lot of cricket bats.
Yeah, that was about 20 years ago, that BC. It was like 20 BC.
But you're there, and
I'm sorry, I can apologize.
No, it's all good. But all these cricket bats are behind you, and every time
I even had a 92 World Cup on my right in one of the shows. Seriously. I think at this stage, Kings just need to apply themselves and relax. It's so important that in crunch moments, you don't lose the grip. And that's a real test for somebody like Iftikhar. Let's see whether he comes good or whether he loses it.
You took the catch, the 1992 ICC Cricket World Cup Final 92. What did you do with the ball? What did you do with that ball?
Somebody else took it. I mean, I think probably Wasim got the ball from me. Somebody, because I don't have it.
Am I supposed to believe that?
Seriously.
Do you believe that? Do you think he kept the ball? I think you kept the ball.
No, I did not. Seriously, because Waz bowled that magnificent spell, so it must be with Wasim. I'll ask him. I'll definitely ask him.
Do you think he's got it?
Absolutely, I think in one of his cricket libraries.
You don't think Alan Lamb's got it?
Well, he got the ball of the life.
It's 48 for 4, 9 overs gone.
Telenor 3G मोबाइल्स 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर। अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे।
नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी।
डिंग डोंग बबल की मूवी बहुत अच्छी है। थैंक यू डिंग डोंग, हमें 3D मूवी दिखाने के लिए। सबसे अच्छी डिंग डोंग बबल। डिंग डोंग बबल।
Jazz Excite feature phones or Jazz Explore smartphones.
I've got my Jazz X. Go get yours.
Mobiling Jazz X.
PTCL मुफ्ती वो ऑफर। अब Evo Wingle बिल्कुल फ्री और अनलिमिटेड इंटरनेट सिर्फ 1500 का बैलेंस लोड करने पर। तो जल्दी करें। PTCL।
Watson, none for 11. Oh, a shape back into the right-hander. That's a very good start. It's a famous box we're going to show you again. The HBL box. I think you win a prize and be part of that show. Ab khel ke dikha.
Ab khel ke
dikha.
खेल खेते आप.
Carved away for a run.
Brilliant. Got it. Brilliant, bud.
Misbah is not out there leading the United because he's suffering from a calf injury, we understand. Karachi Kings need 84 from 64. It's getting tough now. At one stage, they had more balls than runs. Now they have lesser balls than runs required. 84 from 64.
Well, yeah. Required run rate is now 8 and over. And right, a comparison to scores, the Shane Watson's bowling some decent stuff here. You see how he's run his fingers down the side of the ball, more of a sort of a cutter, took the pace off the ball. At the same time,
.50 comes up for Kings. He's not overspeeding, going at 50.
Rather go for 100.
So the plan is straightforward for United. Look to ball as straight as possible, not look for wickets, because the pressure is being exerted here. Try to keep it as normal as possible, as straightforward and simple as possible, because the required run rate has jumped over 8. So they need a boundary from here till the end in every over. That's not going to be easy on a pitch like this. Slicing it for a run. Shakib Al Hasan will keep the strike. And Kings 52 for 4 after 10.
अगर आप भी अपनी गाड़ी का ख्वाब देखते रहते हैं तो आपको चाहिए अस्करी बैंक की आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस.
आज कॉफी पीने चले?
अस्करी आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस. Steer your dreams.
बने एक्साइटेड.
Cheers back, क्योंकि बढ़ना है आगे.
BTCL मुफ्ती वो ऑफर. अब Evo Wingle बिल्कुल फ्री और अनलिमिटेड इंटरनेट सिर्फ 1500 का बैलेंस लोड करने पर. तो जल्दी करें. BTCL.
Telenor 3G mobiles 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर. अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर.
Starts out with a straighter one.
Yep, he's a real artist. And he will drag the rate down a little bit. But fortunately, I just sense that the Kings are very aware that they're not chasing a huge score here. They just got to stay in. Stay in. You've got a long. There's more time than you think, and they've got an experienced player there. Stay in, 10 and over towards the end. You'll be fine, but don't lose wickets. New men coming in are going to battle.
For United, I think it's bowling dots. It's keeping it nice and simple. And drag that run rate up, or that's quicker one. He drops the shoulder when he bowls that delivery. That's a new one for me. I've watched lot of Saeed Ajmal, but this delivery is a new one. Quicker, flatter, round armish. That ball is certainly gripping and spinning.
Got so many options. That's what makes him so tough. You can't line him up. That's what's still to come, though. Robbie Bopara, Tanvir Namir. Now, Robbie Bopara is in real good form. So they've still got people in the bank. They just mustn't lose too many too quickly.
It's again round arm delivery. And it was kind of a half-tracker. That's not good fielding. United have been red hot in the field, but allowing that third run was not great.
Yeah, very interesting, that low round arm action. He's trying to get it to stay down, get a lower bounce on it, but it's quite hard to control. You see if you can get it to bounce low.
Oh, that was risky. Shakib exposing the stumps. They need Shakib to go till the end. And it's 57 for 4 after 11.
Telenor 3G mobiles 50% डिस्काउंट ऑफर. अब किसी भी Telenor 3G मोबाइल की खरीदारी पर दूसरा मोबाइल हासिल करें 50% डिस्काउंट पे.
अगर आप भी अपनी गाड़ी का ख्वाब देखते रहते हैं तो आपको चाहिए अस्करी बैंक की आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस.
आज कॉफी पीने चले?
अस्करी आस्फकार ऑटो फाइनेंस. Steer your dreams.
नया पैक और लाल स्ट्रॉबेरी फ्लेवर में भी.
It's going to be one great run chase. It's turning out to be a great contest, this. United not putting up a great show with the bat, but they've been awesome in the field. 4 wickets down. Kings feeling the pressure, the heat. 57 for 4. They need a lot. 76 in 54. They need a partnership. This partnership is worth 17 at this stage. But he's been through such drills, Shakib. He's seen it all as an international cricketer. And he'll be the guiding force.
Yes, he has. But so is Robbie Bopara, and he's still to come. And I saw him get 30 or 40 yesterday. He played beautifully. So they've still got it in the bank, but they've got to get it close. Run rate, don't let it get out of hand. Boundary and over. But one big over and suddenly the game will change here.
Big shot. Will it miss the fielder? I think it will. It's not a 4. But the idea was right. The mid-off was up in the ring, so Iftikhar choosing the right range. He's not too happy with it because he clearly wanted more out of this.
Sliced it, didn't he? He was leaning back on it. Andre Russell, I don't think is an easy customer to hit down the ground. He's tall.
Oh, that's hit him. That's hit him on the helmet. Quick delivery from Andre Russell. He bowls a heavy ball, as it's called. He's fine. He's okay. Just a little shaken. But that hit him hard on the grill, I think.
That's a statement right there. You want to drive me? You want to hit me over my head? Try that one. Now, a couple of years ago, there would be an ambulance coming on the ground.
This was sharp. Oh, yeah, hit him on the temple. Clearly extremely late in getting around to that one. That's gone up in the air. Will this be taken? Somebody's calling for it. Is it going to be out? No, not really. Circling around that one. Iftikhar giving it a fierce thump. It went a mile up in the air.
He's a slow learner. You hit him over his head once, he's hit you on the head next, and then you do the same again. It was a slower ball. Now, what will Russell do? Surely he's not going to pitch one up. Surely.
He's not happy, Andre Russell. He wanted that fielder to make a better effort. Here we go again. The contest is certainly on. Oh, different action. Beats him this time. The hand pump action.
What's going on? What's going on? The other side of stage, Ajmal's doing the same thing. I laugh about it now, but I tell you what, that bouncer, that was fierce. Yeah, look at this. Well, no.
That too, a slow delivery. Different action and a slow one. Well, after all that, he's managed to bowl a dot. So that's good. Field's been rearranged. Long on's been asked to come into the ring at mid-on. Mid-off's gone back to long off. Yorker, once again, a typical response from Shakib. He'll keep on doing that. He'll take this game deep into the last part. 64 for 4.